Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start creating a post on GreenPlug. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open up your browser using Chrome here and navigate to the site. I've got it bookmarked. And then what we want to do first is to log in. So we'll scroll down to the GreenPlug login join. You need to be registered on the site, and you need to have us set you up with author credentials. So we'll assume that's already taken care of. If not, and you want to write on GreenPlug, just contact us, scroll down, use the contact form here, send us an email, let us know that you want to post and be an author on GreenPlug, and we'll work with you to get that set up. Okay, but assuming that's all set up, what you'll do is you'll come to the main home page and go to the login section and enter your username. In this case, I've set up a fake user, if you will, called author. There we go. That's the username. In this case, now you would use your username, not the word author. This is just the temporary profile I've created. And then type in the password. Okay, and then click login. Okay, after you log in, the screen will refresh as you've just seen. You want to scroll back down to this login section, and you'll notice that the user author has logged in, showing as logged in, and you want to click on the dashboard. Okay. There we go. All right, that now takes you to the author dashboard, and there are a lot of things you can do here, but we're going to focus on just creating, or just the first steps of creating a post. So in the left sidebar, you want to go to Posts and click on Add New. Okay, we'll let the screen load. And now we are ready to create a post. Okay, so the first step is to create the title. In this case, we're going to be making a little demo article, and it is called Chasing Ice Demo Article. Okay, and we ask that you capitalize the first letter of each of the main words in your article title. So in this case, it would look like that. And then the next step is you want to create and add your thumbnail image. Okay. The first step for adding the thumbnail is you've got to upload the image to the media library. And to do that, in the left sidebar, you want to go to Media, Add New. Now I'm going to create a new tab because I want to keep this post editor open so that I can come back to it in a moment. So I'm going to go here and Command Shift, Add New. That creates a new tab where I can upload media. Now there are two different ways to upload the media. First is the uploader that you see here. This is called the multi-file uploader. There is another one. It looks slightly different. It's called the browser uploader. You can use that in case you have any trouble. They both have a similar function, slightly different look to them. So we'll stay with the multi-file uploader. We want to click Select Files, and then we will navigate to the folder which has the thumbnail image, which we have already created. Here's the folder, Chasing Ice Demo Article Assets. And this is the image I've already created. It's 185 pixels by 185. You can see the dimensions here. That is required for a thumbnail, so please go ahead and process the image using Photoshop or some other application to this size, 185 by 185. Okay, we'll select it and then click Open. It may say Load on your computer or Upload, something like that. And then we have uploaded the image. It's been crunched down to the smallest file size. So now if we go back to the library, media library here, we can see the image has been uploaded. All right. So now the next step is you have to get the URL for this image, because you've got to tell the article or the post that you're creating the URL for this thumbnail image. The way you do that is click on Edit. You can click here, That'll take you to this page, and the URL that you want to copy so that we can paste it is shown over here in the right sidebar. Now, there is a relative URL over here, but that is not the right one to use, and that one will not work in terms of creating the thumbnail image. So you want to get this one. So you just have to double click or triple click until it's fully highlighted. Then you want to do edit copy in order to capture that, or you can use a shortcut. Okay, so now you've got the URL. We'll go back to the post editor, which is this tab. And if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see a section called Custom Fields. In this section, you go to the section called Value. Click in that box, and you want to do edit paste, and that puts in the URL for the thumbnail. For the name, you want to select thumbnail there, and now you can click add custom field. You'll see that flashes yellow, and now you've added your thumbnail and you've got your article title. It's a good idea to go ahead and save this periodically so that if anything goes wrong or you lose your connection, you don't lose any of your work. Okay, so those are the first steps for creating a post on GreenPlug.